16.
No. Calculate.
Is this where we do the ANDing? So 45 is 0010, 1101.
That'd be, yeah, beautiful. That's what I got. 1,100, 1,000. Mm-hmm. Yep. I don't know, no.
Is that where if it's A 1 and a 1, it's a 1. If it's a 1 and a 0, it's 0. And if it's a 0 and a 0, it's a 0. Yes.
Well, hopefully you get what we started with. Beautiful. All right.
I'm stuck. Yeah, I'm just trying to remember. Oh, that's right. Zeros. 255, 255.
25.
Dot 255 dot 255. Broadcast address.
Yes, Rob, I have a question. When we are changing to the broadcast address, why? This is the bit I couldn't understand. Why did we change the host into ones? So the first, the network address stays the same, which I understood. Yeah. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Now I got it. Sure. Sorry. Yes. Now I got it. Thank. Yep. Yes. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Yes. Yes. What's that? Yeah. Thank you. Yes. Yes. Thank you.
Layer 3.
Le-
Is that like a switch? Okay. 16. Class B. Class B. 6. Yes. I think so. Ah. Yes, now I've got where you got the 17. Mhm. Mm. Using our calculators? Yeah, can you just repeat it? Sorry, Rob. Sorry to the class if everyone else has got it and I haven't. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep. Yes. Yes. Right. 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 Yes. Yes, thank you. Is that because it's part of the network and you don't change it because it's not the broadcasting address? Yep. Mm-hmm. 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 So 1010 1100, and then it'll be 000 and 5 ones. Then this 173 is 1010 1101. Yes. So that will be 1010 60. A little bit lost. It's all right. I think I'm picking up now. Mm-hmm. The broadcast address. The subnet address. The last one. 25. No, it's not 255.
128. Yep, correct. Network portion. Address, sorry. Two five five. 255. Broadcast.
The host addresses.
254. Yes.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Oh, yes.
Mm-hmm.
So they're the same. Yeah, 255.255.0.0. Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
So they're in the same network. Oh my gosh. No.
Seventeen.
It's on top.
Yes.
Okay. Robert, I have a question again with the first one with the standard subnet. How does it happen again? So 172.31.45. Um, yeah. So yeah. Uh, okay. So the difference with the two is the first one you didn't put the subnet. Okay. Okay. Cool.
So
All good. Thanks, Rob.
yes. 28.
Just simply add. Yep. 128.
Just working it out.
255. It's 127. It would be 63. Sorry, yeah, 63. It's 31.
One. 15.
No,
50.
it's 128.
171.
25.
Two, 10, 10, 42.
170.
170, yep. One 92.
192. $240.
252.
Yep.
5. That's 242.
252. Yep. Subtract. Yes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. $64. Mm-hmm. Yes. Put a 1 in there and the rest are zeros. So it's a 0 in there. Yep. Put a 1 in there. Yes. And zeros. 0. 0 for 128, 1 and 64, and 1 in there. Yep. Zeros. Zero, 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 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, all zeros until, keep going. 0, 0. Yes, 0. It's 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. Nope. Yes. Hang on. Oh, hang on. My calculator went crazy. 57. Yes.
Yes.
No. Yes. 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 Yep. Yes. Yes. Hi. Yes. No. Yeah, don't need the 16. 8.
Need them.
2. Yep. Oh. Mm-hmm. So 128. 64. Yes. Yes. 16. 16. Yes. And 8. Yes. And 4. Yes. 32. Yep. Rob, that little sheet you had there, can you copy one over for us to do? Oh, perfect. No. Yes. Mm-hmm. Um,
8, 32,
32. So you have one
8,
one
8
bits.
to the power 8.
Oh, 8. 254. Oh, we're going to borrow one. Um,
7,
7. Seven.
1 for broadcast and another one for network address. 126,
126. Yeah. Less.
one,
1.
Yes. Can I ask you something? Yeah, if I can use this bit as a 1 and 0, then in both cases I'm getting 126 number of hosts. Is that correct?
Can you repeat that, please, Nita?
Um,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yes. Ah, right. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Yep. The network, number of networks.
no, number of
Oh,
hosts. Subnet. Yeah. Two to the power of 1, that makes it 2.
right. It's okay.
Sorry,
Oh,
16.
so that's 16.
16.
I'm tired.
How many? 16
16.
minus 2.
2. Um, yep. It's 65,534. With. Yes. Yes. Ooh.
So here would be 18 network bits and 14 host bits.
14.
To the power 14 minus 2.
2 to the power of 14 minus 2. 16,382. Less. Slash 18.
2 bits.
2.
4. 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 2. Sorry. 2 square.
Take.
Yes.
Yes. Oh.
Rob, can I ask you something? So in any case, if I'm doing subnetting, I'm not losing any number of hosts. Am I correct? I am, because of the broadcast and for each subnetting. Okay. Okay, I understand. So I'm grouping them into different subsets here. Yes, all good. Thanks.
Two.
All good. Thanks. /8 /16
16 and /24.
/24.
Yep, /24.
Yes. Yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
Is it 255? 255 dot, is it 254?
128. So one. Yes.
Okay, got me, I don't know. Ah, D. No, next one up.
Of class.
Class B.
C.
B.
B.
D again. I'll see. Yes. Um,
255.255.255.0 or 24.
24. Yep. Oh,
It's 199.155.77.0.
yes. Mm-hmm.
0.
0.
Yep.
Yes.
Do C. Class B. Two five five dot 255.0.0. It's Fieldly /16. 255.255.0.0. No.
Would be
No, it's
Dot
wrong.
0.0. Yeah, make that 0.
yeah. I was about to ask you to do the last one. Okay, so C. First, we need to identify how many bits we need to borrow from host.
Do we need to identify the class? Whether it's class A, B, or C?
That's a good one.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to identify. So this is a /24. It's telling you this is the standard value, correct? /24. /24 is a class
C.
C.
C. But he's telling you he needs 3 subnets. So obviously you're gonna have to change the subnet mask, because right now you cannot have any subnet. This is the standard subnet mask. Correct?
Correct.
So you're gonna have to adjust it. And you have to adjust it in a way that it will allow you to represent 3 subnets.
So I need to borrow 2 bits from host, so it will make 26.
Yes,
Exactly.
correct.
You need to borrow 2 bits. How do you know that you need to borrow 2 bits?
Because I need 3 subnets and 2 to the power 2 would be 4.
Exactly. So you need to put into the formula. Let's do the formula together. Equation. So basically 2 to the power of what? To the subnets? Borrowed bits. How many bits you need to borrow?
2,
2.
To have at least 3.
4. Ah, yeah, sorry.
And remember, this is not equal because it needs to be greater or equal. In this
Yep.
case, it will never be equal. There is no number that you can do 2 to the power of something that is going to be equal to 3. So you need to go a little bit higher. What is the lowest value of b that is going to give you this number?
2.
2, 2.
2 to the power of 2 equals 4.
Yep.
So you need b equals 2 in order to solve this. Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Is that clear to everybody? It needs to be clear.
Almost. Yeah.
Let's get back.
Going there. Going there, going there.
Let's get back. Let's get back a little bit. You need to calculate how many subnets we can have for a certain address. In order to calculate the number of subnets, we need to use the formula 2 to the power of borrowed bits, the number of bits that we're going to borrow, needs to be equal to the number of subnets. Correct?
Yep.
In this case, I'm given 3 subnets. I need 3 subnets. That's what I need.
Yep.
So because I need 3 subnets, I need at least 2 bits. Because 2 bits allow me to have at least
4.
4.
So let's go. Let's do this. Okay. So these 2 bits. With 2 bits, guys, what are the possible values that I can write down with 2 bits?
1s or zeros?
What are my possible values with 2
0,
bits?
0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1.
It can be 0, 0, 0, 1.
1, 0, 1, 1.
These are all the possible values that I can write down with this. Okay? Correct?
Correct.
Yes? No?
Yes.
Too hard? Okay. So I'm going to divide these address into 4. I'm going to name the networks. So I'm just going to say network A or subnet A. I'm just going to call subnet A. Subnet B. Subnet C. And subnet D. Correct? Now, let's do the following. I'm going to take, so I need to borrow 2 bits. So I just figured out that I cannot use /27. I need to change /24 to which value?
/28?
To which value is it going to be?
26.
26, because I need to borrow 2. 24 plus 2?
Yes.
26. Yes? Perfect. Is this clear, guys, so far? So now we need /26. Oh my god, what a silence. Did I break you guys? Have I melted your brains away? Or what? Is this too hard?
No, I'm enjoying. Thanks.
Okay, awesome. All right, so we have /26. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to write this number down. So the first thing I'm going to do, and bear with me guys, it's gonna get harder. What is my IP address?
192.168.255.0.
Okay. It was /24, but now we have transformed this to /26. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
How do you write down this number as binary? Anyone? Grab the calculators, do this. The binary of this. Anyone?
Okay, Rob.
Yep.
It's double. It's that one, and then it's 1010, 13 zeros, and then it's going to be 8 ones. Yep, and then dot. No, yeah, that's binary.
Yes?
And then we're going to borrow 2 bits, so the
Exactly. So
two zeros.
pay attention to this, guys. Pay attention to what I'm about to do, because this will define if you actually understood the concepts or not. Okay? I'm gonna write down this number exactly as it is, but now I'm going to worry about the subnet. Okay? I'm going to worry about the subnet now. So it's /26. So the first 26 bits, they are reserved for the network. Remember that it was /24 originally. So I'm gonna write the /24. Seven, 8. Okay? Up to here is the /24. Remember, we are doing /26. Now it's gonna be something like this. Now, is there anyone here that didn't understand what I've just done?
No.
Clear.
Carolyn?
Here.
Is not clear? Carolyn?
So they're the borrowed. The B's are the borroweds, and the H's are hosts.
Exactly. Is this clear?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
So now let's fill up the table now. Now let's fill up the table. So the network ID will be
11 000000, or 192. Yep. Dot
now
255.
for the first network. What
It
is
would
the
be 0.
value?
It would be 0.
For the first subnet. Just gonna write down the first subnet. What do I do to find the first subnet? So I'll
Ending.
take this, correct? Because I know they need to be this format. In here, I'm gonna plug it in the first value, the first possible value that I can have for the borrowed bits. Because I'm trying to find the first subnet.
So 0, 0.
Is that clear to everybody or no?
Yes.
It has to be clear. Okay. So that's why now I'm changing this to this. Correct?
Correct.
Having said that, what is the network address for the first subnet?
0. 192.168.255.0.
Yes, it is. So if you have no means of finding out this, there is an easy way of doing this, and it's using the ending operation. So if this is not clear yet to you, let's do the ending and see what happens. If you do the ending operation, you do the ending of this address with what?
With the network.
With the slash
Subnet
26.
mask.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2,
1,
3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? If you do the ending of all of this, what do you get?
1 1 0 6 zeros. 1 0 1 0.
The first three portions is just telling you keep
Same.
keep the value. Yes? Keep the value. So keep the 192, keep the 128, keep the 255, and it's telling you keep the first two borrowed bits to whatever value you gave to them. In this case, we gave to them the value 0, 0. So for this one, oops. Now, is this not clear or is this clear to you guys?
It's clear for me.
Yeah? Too easy? Now you guys gonna tell me. So this is what?
The next one,
This is what?
subnet A. Oh.
Now you guys gonna tell me what is the broadcast for this network? What is the broadcast address for this address? For this subnet? What is the
It would be 63 at the end. 192.168.255.63. Am I correct?
So is there anyone here that doesn't understand what this woman just done?
Me.
That's magic. So broadcast, how do you find the broadcast again? Remember?
He is keeping.
Set the host bits to 1. Just the host bits. If you set just the host bits, nothing else to 1, what do you get? 63. Congratulations. Who got this? It was you, Sabiha?
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
You have been promoted to technician level 98.
Thank you.
So this, what is the host addresses that you can have here? Come on, guys. Come on.
Sorry, didn't you?
So
The host addresses. You're too slow today, huh? Come on, guys. I need to
so
get.
what?
Okay,
So
it's
192.168.255.1 to 192.168.255 to 62.
Yes, yes, you guys are good. Yes. Hosts. Okay. Now let's do this. We have finished the first subnet. Congratulations. So we can fill up the first row of the first column. Oh, The first table. Subnet A, what's the network address?
0.
What's the range?
192.168.1.
I'm just gonna put it like this because I'm lazy.
62. Yep.
Okay, and what's the broadcast?
192.168.255.63.
And what's the subnet mask?
255.255.255 dot
No,
128 plus 60.
just give me the slash notation, guys. I'm lazy.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah, it's all
26.
good. Slash 26. That's all you need, right?
Right.
Just getting things done. Perfect. Now let's calculate the second subnet. And you see that things are gonna get easy now. No,
Yes.
I'm just lying. It's gonna get harder. Okay, what do?
So the next would be 192.168.255.64.
So I'm just gonna copy paste the same thing we did here before, because I'm lazy. Okay? But now the borrowed bits, they will assume a different value.
01.
Yes?
Mm-hmm.
And what
Yes.
happens if I do this? I do the ending, and I'll do the ending with the exact same subnet. The subnet is not changed. Everybody agrees with this?
Yep.
Yeah? So what do you get? What do we get after we do this?
Last one would be 64.
Someone said 64. Who said 64? For God's sake.
Sabiha.
You were correct. Perfect. What do we call this?
This is the second subnet.
Yes. Now, calculate for me, please, the broadcast address of this.
Broadcast would be. Last one would be 127.
Anyone has
Rob, can I
got
ask you a
questions?
question?
Yes.
Yes. I'm sorry. Can you just show me how you got the subnet address again, please?
Yes, absolutely. So, we needed 3 subnets, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So, we need to borrow bits to create the subnets.
Yep.
We have originally a /24. So, we need to find out how
Yep.
many bits we need to borrow in order to have 3 subnets.
Mm-hmm.
We know the formula to calculate the subnets. It's 2 to the power of number of bits that you borrow needs to be equal or greater than the number of subnets that you have.
Right.
So what is the value of B that will satisfy this condition?
2.
2.
Yep. So 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Yes?
Exactly. So 4 is greater than 3. It satisfied the condition. You need to borrow 2 bits. No questions asked. Correct?
Yes?
After that, you need to borrow 2 bits, but you have originally a /24. But now you need
Mm-hmm.
2 extra. So now you're going from 24 to
26.
exactly. That's it. So what is the host addresses, guys, for the second subnet? Anyone?
Oh, is that 192.168.255.6
T2. Sorry,
65? Yeah.
yes.
And 192.168.255.126.
I'm lazy, so I'm just gonna put the dot 126. Is that all good to everyone?
Mm-hmm.
Now
Yes.
I can fill it in my table. What's the network ID? What's the network ID, guys?
That's 64.
What are the hosts? from 65 to?
$65 to 126. 126.
Broadcast?
127.
Subnet?
26. Subnet would be same.
Okay, now let's move on to the third one. What happens to the third one? I'm just gonna copy paste because I'm lazy.
Last
Third.
one is 128.
So we're going to set this to what? To 10 now.
10.
11.
No, we're not the last one yet, Carolyn. This is the third one. This is the third one. Okay?
Okay.
So it's 10.
Yep.
So after I put 10 here, if I do the same calculation, what do I get?
128 at the end.
128 for the subnet in the broadcast. What do you guys reckon? Broadcast. Do the calculations, please.
Just it's 191.
And what are the hosts?
Hosts would be yes, and 190.
I can fill up the table. Yeah?
Yes, 128.
To 190 or
90.
191?
190. Because the broadcast is 191.
Subnet?
So it's same 26.
26.
Now, can I do the fourth?
Yes, please.
Yes, but I'm not gonna do it because I'm lazy. So I'm just gonna write it out here. Not applicable because he's just asking me for 3. So I
3.
can finish here. I don't need to keep going. Yeah?
Yeah, correct.
You guys agree?
Yes.
Not applicable. Perfect. I got the results.
Rob,
Yes?
I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
How do you get the possible values again? Can you scroll up?
Here.
Possible, yeah, yeah. This one?
So you just basically need to. So when you have bits, they can be either a 0 or a 1, correct? So you just basically need to start with all zeros. Okay? So they assume all zeros. And then you start from the bit to the right. And you start counting from 0 to the
One.
value.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah,
Is
yeah.
combination?
So it's the same as taking this table.
Yeah, yeah.
And you start counting down from 0 to whatever.
Okay, yeah. I get it now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome. So there you go.
Thank you. Yeah.
Awesome. So finish this one. This one, guys. Let's keep going. Choose one of these for me to do.
B.
B. Okay, perfect. Given each one of the following addresses and information given, fill the following table and answer the question. So you are given this. Is this a standard subnet mask?
No.
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 No, it's not. It's subnetting. So there's subnetting going on here. And this network is called the Avengers LAN. So you have B. Oh my god. My bad. Okay. So this is the address of Avengers LAN. This is the address for Justice League LAN. And this is the address for Simpsons LAN. All good? So
Yeah.
what is the network name? Anyone?
So,
It's Avengers Lane.
Nicholas,
Yeah, it's Avengers Land.
Avengers Lane.
So this is ridiculous, huh?
yeah.
What's the network ID of this Avengers Land?
192.168.27.33.
No.
No, it's
Oh.
last.
The network. Just the network.
Oh, 192.168.7.
168.27.0.
Anyone?
Zero.
33.
224 at the end.
Why is this 0? Someone says 0. Why? Okay, guys. Okay, let's get to the calculation one more time. Hopefully you get it one day. How
Is
do you
it 224?
how do you write down this number in binary? Anyone? This number, the 33. How do you write down in binary?
01000001.
Write the number in binary, guys. What's this number in binary? How does it look like? 10000 and 168. How does it look like?
10101000.
How about 27?
0001 1011.
27?
0010 0001.
But that's not 8 bits, is it? Ah, okay. 0001 and then 10,
No,
1011. Is that it?
no, 001.
For 27?
Oh, for 27, I'm doing 33 now.
Yeah, 33. So what's 33?
0010 0001.
Yeah. Okay. So what is the subnet mask?
255.255.
55.255.
That's /27. Remember,
Oh,
/27. So what is the conversion of /27? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 24. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Yep.
And what do we do here?
Ending.
Okay. So what's the value that we get after we do this?
24. So 192.168.27.224.
24?
224.
224? Where are you guys
No?
getting this?
It's
Guys,
128 plus
it's
64.
ending. It's ending. You only have a 1 where you're supposed to have a 1. Yes?
Okay, my mistake. Yes. I didn't notice that one.
So the only one that is 1 here is the third bit. Yes?
Yes. So it's 128 plus.
32.
What's the network address? Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Please stay with me. Don't cry. Okay? Is this clear? Guys, I did the same thing we did in the past. Just do the ending. Where you have a 1, you keep. Where you have 2 1s, you keep it. Where you have zeros, you have zeros. That's it. No questions asked. Yes?
Yes.
Oh. So, okay. So, hang on. Now I think I might get it. So, where the original address is 0.33, because we're subnetting, we take that 1 off the 33 to give us a 32. Is that correct?
Yes, yes, yes. So
So if we,
basically, the 32 is the
mhm,
network because you are borrowing 27. So up to here is being borrowed. Up to here is everything that is being borrowed. And that's why after you do the ending, check the subnet mask. The subnet mask is telling you that up to here is to be kept. And that's why when you do the ending, you're actually keeping the 32. Because this one here, matching the subnet mask, which is also one here, right?
mhm.
Is equal to 32.
Oh, I'm not getting it.
Yes or no?
Yes.
I'm gonna change the color here because that's maybe it's gonna be easier for some of you. Nah. Up to here, guys, this is all what? What is this?
Oh,
Network.
27, that's your network.
Network. Okay? So basically all of these ones, they're telling me keep all these the original value.
Yes.
When you convert this number to binary, you get this, correct? So it's
Mm-hmm.
just basically telling me these 27 bits, they need to be kept original. Everything else is 0. That's why when you do the ending, everything that is 0 here, everything that is 0 here is set to 0. If you transform to binary to decimal again, you get 32.
So, Rob, that's what I'm asking. So the original network address is 0.33.
Yes?
So because with the ANDing, it comes in at a 001, right? In the last 8 bits of the subnet mask. The ANDing, when you do the ANDing. So do you take that 1 off the 33 to give you the 32?
This last one.
No, the green. So you see where you got the
No,
green?
this one is gonna be kept because
No, no,
when you do the
uh,
ending, it's 1 times 1.
1 is 1.
I'm
Yes.
gonna put it in the bottom. It's gonna be easy. So let's do the calculation before putting the decimal format. Let's do the calculation. So all these ones are telling you keep the values, correct? So you keep the values. So 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, 0 times anything is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Oop. Yes, this is the result.
Mm-hmm.
If you convert these to decimal, you get the 32. So this is the result of the ending operation.
Ah, right.
Okay? After
Mm-hmm.
you get the ending operation, you convert back, you find out that that's 32. So out of these 33, the 32 is actually representing the network. Yes?
Yes.
So this is the...
Network.
How do you find the broadcast?
Just putting the 1 into the host. So it's that 63 at the end.
So you set all of these to 1.
Yes.
After you set all of these to 1, which value do you get?
63. Yes.
63. So 192.168.27 up to 63. 63 is the broadcast, correct?
Correct.
Everything between is what?
Host.
From 33 up to 62?
Host address. Yes.
Yes.
So what's the range?
192.168.27.33 to 192.168.2762. You've got it, haven't you? In the middle.
Yeah, exactly. So that's the range from 33 to 62. What is the broadcast?
192.168.27.63.
And what's the subnet mask?
It's 255.255.
/27.
224. Is it? Yes.
/27 is also this. Okay, so you could write down /27, or you can put this as well. Yep. Done. You're going to do this for the Justice League LAN. You're going to do this for the Simpsons LAN. And you're going to answer this question. You are hired as a network engineer and need to connect all of these networks. Which device would you need in order to make sure all networks are able to communicate with each other? And which layer of the OSI model this device that you need belong to? Do you know the answer for this? If you know, type it in the chat or say it out loud so that you can show people you know this stuff.
A router.
A router, why? And level 3, yes, Christopher, you got it. And why?
Because that's what connects all local area networks to reach each other and to the outside world.
Because they are different networks.
Different networks, yes.
And the device responsible to forward packets between different networks is the router. After buying this device, you need to make sure all devices within different networks can communicate. What are 2 commands that you can use to test network connectivity between the hosts?
Ping and
Trace route.
Ping and
trace.
traceroute. Perfect. Now we get to the last one. Determine if the following addresses are host addresses, network addresses, or broadcast addresses. Do you guys want to pick one so that I can solve it? Which one you want to choose?
Go the middle, go D.
D. Perfect. Let's do D. What's the first thing I need to do? Write down the address.
Yes.
What is the address in binary? Let's do the conversion. We do it together. 192.168.3.64. What's the binary conversion of this?
1100.
We did this so many times already. You should know already.
So it's 1100 4 zeros. And then it's 1010 1000. And 3. 3 is 4 zeros, 0011.
64.
20.
Is 0100 4 zeros.
Perfect. How about the subnet mask? Write down the subnet mask now. /27.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So 24 so far. I need 3 more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do I do next? The ending.
Ending.
Ding.
If I do the ending here, what do I get? Anyone?
Network ID? Network.
Yeah, the network address. So what's
Or
the value?
press.
Can I put it already in decimal, or do you guys want me to do it in
192.
binary? I'll do it in binary. Yes or no?
64. Yes.
You guys with me? What's the number?
192.168.3.64.
Now, here's the question for you. This is what? The ending gives us what?
Network address.
So the question here is, this address, is this a host, a network, or a broadcast address?
It's a network address.
Yes, guys? What do you reckon?
Yes.
Done. So
Because if it was a zero or 255, it would be a subnet mask or a broadcast.
if it was what?
So it's a network address because you don't use the 1 and the 255. Is that correct? Doesn't matter. I've worked it out. I was being silly. It's all right.
Okay.
I'm tired. I was at work all day.
It's all good. It's all good. Okay, guys, did you get it? Is that clear? Okay. So you're gonna do this, the other exercises that we haven't done tonight. So I'm just gonna post these on Elon right now. So you still have some time to do it today. If you don't want to do it today, do it other day. Anyways, by next week, I should, I'm not promising you guys, I'll try my best to get the answers for all the exercises and put it on Elon. Do you guys want it or no?
Yes, please.
Rob, do we need to submit this one?
No, you don't.
Okay, that's fine.
But after you do all of this and you understand all of this, you can do the project.
Okay.
So if you understand all of this and you know how to calculate all of this, you can do the project. Because in the project, you need to come up with the IP addressing scheme. So you need to design. So you do these exercises, you understand how to design. Is that clear?
Yes.
Awesome. So I'm going to post this to Elon. Make sure you guys have a look. If you have a printer, make sure you can print this. If you don't have a printer and you have you want to print this out, you can actually come to campus and I'll be glad to print it out and give it to you as well. So if you're on campus this week or next week, come to me and I'll print it out for you and I'll give it to you as well. All good?
Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
That's all we have for today, guys.
All good. Thanks, Rob.
That was a long session. Feel free to go now and I'll see you next week.
Thank you
Okay,
so
Rob.
much.